In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number on Exness. If you need to update the phone number connected to your Exness account, the process is fairly straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you have access to your Exness account and your new phone number, since you'll need to receive a verification code during the process. To get started, log into your Exness personal area using your current credentials. This is the main account dashboard where you can manage your profile, settings, and security options. Take a moment to make sure you've signed into the correct account before moving on, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you're inside your personal area, look over to the left-hand menu, find the settings section, expand it, and then select security settings. This area contains the tools related to protecting your account, including the options for updating your verification methods. In security settings, locate the section called two-step verification. This is where Exness manages the extra layer of security tied to your account. When you see it, click Change. This tells the platform that you want to update the method or phone number currently being used for verification. Next, choose the option for a new phone number and then click Next. This step lets Exness know that you are not just reviewing your settings, but specifically replacing the existing number with a new one. You'll now be asked to enter your new phone number. Carefully type it in and double check that the country code and number are correct, since any mistake here could prevent you from receiving the verification code. After entering the number, click Send me a code, or in some cases Continue, depending on what appears on your screen. Exness will then send a verification code to your new phone number. Enter that code in the required field to confirm that you have access to the new number. After that, you'll also need to verify the change using your current active security type. This is an important security check designed to make sure the request is really coming from you. Once both verifications are completed successfully, your phone number should be updated on your Exness account. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment and make sure your phone can receive messages properly before trying again. And that's how to change your phone number on Exness.